Everyone, hello everyone, welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. My order is arrived for Belize Beauty, came from Georgia, USA. It's Belize Beauty. This is a brightening toner for your face, moisturizing. And Belize Beauty is Glutathione melasma serum. This melasma serum, cool. And this is Belize Beauty Glutathione Deep Moisturizer. So try this, guys. Make your face beautiful. This is for your cream, and this is for your glutathione melasma serum. So perfect for your face. Make your face shiny and young. For young skin is for anti-wrinkles, and make your skin beautiful and young. So what you guys waiting for? Order now and try it to make you beautiful. It's good for 3 months. So order now and try, make yourself beautiful. So this is toner. It's like brightening toner. So there you go, everyone. Make your face beautiful and shiny and young forever. Forever young. I wanna live forever young. Forever young. I wanna live forever young. So let's order, everyone. And what you guys waiting for? Make yourself beautiful. Is Belize Beauty Active Beauty right now, and anti-wrinkle and soft and shiny. And let's get beautiful and young forever. Thank you and God bless. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please subscribe. It's Pinay Vlog of Maryland, and mega let's shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. So have a good evening to you all, and wherever you are, stay safe as always. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. God bless, and please visit me to my YouTube channel, That's Pinay Vlog, by subscribing, like, and share. And God bless everyone. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon for the next vlog. So long, take care, and have a good evening.